In a time where technology runs at the speed of light, the landscape of logistics has made delivery undergo a profound transformation. This change is most evident in the way deliveries are managed and received in developed countries. It began with people walking into homes and institutions to deliver their orders, and then delivery bikes and cars rose up to speed up the process. Today, there are delivery robots across the streets of the United States, Europe, China, and other developed countries, seamlessly moving goods to customers with artificial intelligence soaring to a greater height. The story is different in other parts of the world. In remote African areas, the struggle is real. Delivery trucks are scarce, and in many cases, road conditions are very treacherous. This condition often leads to loss of lives due to delays in delivering medical supplies to facilities in remote areas. In the midst of these challenges, the rise of delivery drones has sparked a beacon of hope. At the forefront is Zipline, revolutionizing the delivery landscape with groundbreaking innovations. This is the story of Zipline, the groundbreaking company taking charge of the African skies, spearheading medical supplies, and saving millions of lives. Stay tuned and let's begin. The story unfolds in 2011 when a visionary entrepreneur, Keller Ronaldo Clifton, along with his brilliant co-founders Ryan Oxenhorn and William Hetzler, embarked on a journey destined to revolutionize the world of robotics. Their initial creation, Romo, was an innovative robotic toy that could be controlled by an iPhone, capturing the imagination of many and illustrating the immense potential of accessible technology. Yet, the ambition of the Romotive team extended beyond the boundaries of entertainment. In 2014, they pivoted towards a more impactful and meaningful purpose. It was during this pivotal time that Keena Rubik joined the team, playing a crucial role in steering their vision towards a new horizon. Driven by a relentless drive for innovation and a deep desire to make a significant impact, the team underwent a profound transformation. By March 2014, they had redefined their mission, setting their sights on a bold and visionary goal to establish a pioneering medical drone delivery service. This ambitious project aimed to transform the delivery of essential medical supplies, including vaccines and critical blood products, to the most remote and inaccessible regions across the globe. With their initial venture, Romo, the iPhone-controlled robotic toy, serving as the yardstick to their creative prowess, the team embarked on this new chapter. Their journey was now set to explore a new and challenging industry with a clear objective to transform and save countless of lives. Conceived to transform delivery services, it began as a network of autonomous electric drones known affectionately as Zips, designed to connect people and places like never before. With the capability to travel up to 70 meters per hour, they were set to redefine what was possible. At this point, the idea had been conceived. The journey had begun. What was left was a place where their innovative solutions could make a profound difference. This is where Africa comes into the picture. After great technological advancement, Africa was identified as the ideal place for such aerial genius to be operationalized. In the heart of Africa, Zipline embarked on a journey to transform the way essential supplies were delivered. The company's timeline of expansion has been a global journey, with their transformative delivery system taking flight in various regions. It began in Rwanda in 2016, where Zipline first introduced their aerial distribution centers. Subsequently, their influence spread across Africa, reaching Ghana in 2019 and then branching into multiple nations, including Nigeria and Côte d'Ivoire in 2022. Their commitment to innovation reached Asia, with operations starting in Japan the same year. In the United States, Arkansas became part of their network in 2021, followed by Utah in 2022. Zipline's remarkable timeline exemplifies their mission to redefine logistics and make life-saving deliveries accessible to diverse communities worldwide. In Rwanda's challenging terrain, Zipline has transformed deliveries through futuristic aerial distribution centers, featuring advanced drones defying gravity to provide life-saving services. Starting in 2016 with the Muhanga Center, their success led to a government partnership in 2018 for a second center in Kayonza, focusing on delivering medical supplies, vaccines, and blood products to smaller health facilities. The Kayonza Center, opened in 2018, aimed for an impressive 80% coverage of the nation. A 2022 study showcased Zipline's drone fleet impact with significant faster delivery time and remarkable reductions in blood wastage, cutting delivery times by 61% and blood expirations by 67%. These drones also became critical in emergencies, handling 43% of orders, hinting at a future where these life-saving guardians fill Rwanda's skies with tales of hope and resilience. Zipline's mission extends beyond Rwanda's borders. In Ghana, they embarked on a groundbreaking partnership with the government, pledging to make up to 600 deliveries a day for 4 years. Since April 2019, Zipline's drones has been a familiar sight in the Ghanaian skies, delivering vaccines, blood, and medicines to healthcare facilities throughout the country. Their reach has expanded rapidly, with plans to establish additional distribution centers, covering over 85% of the population directly. In the face of the 2020 COVID-19 global pandemic, Zipline took flight, becoming an unwavering force in the battle against the virus. With their cutting-edge drone technology and determination, they delivered over 1 million doses of life-saving COVID-19 vaccines in Ghana, a monumental milestone that has transformed the landscape of healthcare accessibility. In Nigeria, Zipline has emerged as a crucial ally in the fight against diseases. Through strategic agreement with states like Kaduna, Cross River, and Bayelsa, they have established distribution centers capable of delivering vital medical supplies, including vaccines, blood, and medications, even to the most remote areas. The company's commitment to ensuring routine distribution and swift response to emergencies has attracted praise and transformed healthcare accessibility in Nigeria. With all these exceptional milestones in Africa, the company is speedily expanding to cover more countries and save more lives. With the beauty of harnessing the skies with drones to save lives, the company has actually achieved exceptional milestones. Let's look at that as we conclude. Zipline's impact on the world has been remarkable. In hospitals served by their network, maternal death due to postpartum hemorrhaging, which refers to death as a result of heavy bleeding after birth, has reduced by a staggering 88%. Communities that have access to Zipline's reliable inventory saw a 42% reduction in missed vaccine doses. The centralized storage and rapid delivery also led to a 67% reduction in blood product wastage. The achievements of Zipline were not just numbers, but stories of lives touched. With over 62 million miles flown, more than 871,000 deliveries made, and nearly 9 million items delivered, each figure represents a chapter of change, a moment where distance and time were conquered for the greater good. As Zipline continues to expand its wings, the journey is far from over. Each zip that takes to the sky carries more than just goods. It carries the spirit of innovation, the promise of a connected world, and the dream of a future where no one is out of reach. Zipline is more than a service. It's a soaring testament to the power of dreams turned into reality. Thank you for making it to the end of this video. This has been Bernard and you've been watching African Dream Motivation. Kindly subscribe for more.